Hi, Milorad here. I am here in front of my house and I decide to just go around my neighborhood with my R6 Mark III and 2x extender and RF 100 to 500 millimeter lens, just to go around the neighborhood and see if I can find anything to photograph. And it's the beginning of the spring. I'm going to just walk around the neighborhood one short lap and see if I can find anything to photograph. And I can hear lots of birds chirping, and I can hear a bird here, just cannot see it. I think this is a red cardinal singing, just cannot see it. Oh, there it is. There it is. Red cardinal. Let me go and take some pictures. There is this peach tree in full bloom, and I took one of my best and most cherished pictures of a mockingbird, and that mockingbird was perching on this now green a bush, and I had this peach tree bloom in the back. It was just fantastic picture, and I even made canvas from that photograph, and it's on prominent place in my house. I just love that picture. Okay, looks like this peach tree is full bloom. You can probably hear wind. It's very high wind today, and that's the reason I didn't go to park, because here in the neighborhood is very windy. But if you go to open place like in park, it's almost impossible to record any sound other than wind. And I see little mockingbird on the roof of this house. There he is in front of this house. There's two trees in full bloom. One is peach for sure, and I'm not sure about the other one, but look at this. It has kind of a pink flowering and also deep red or hot pink, I think they call it hot pink, on the same tree. And the other one is kind of same, almost the same color of the flowerings. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Here I'm walking back toward my house, and this is that wooden area that is behind these houses and almost behind my house. It just stopped right there before my house. I don't know why and how. Oh, I see some butterfly but it's just flying. It will never stop. Oh, he stopped. There, this butterfly. Oh, just flew away. But I actually saw another one. Oh, they are together. There is some very loud crow in this tree. There are lots of them here in the back, especially in that wooden area that we just passed. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Not very nice background, but let me see. Still going to take a couple pictures. Okay, I'm back from a little walk around the neighborhood. I'm back in front of my house. I have some pictures of birds, Mockingbird and red Cardinal, and I think I even photographed a robin. But it's just the beginning of the spring, very, very early, and I saw a couple of butterflies as well. That means insects are coming out, and maybe you can hear there's a wind picking up, and I need to go inside. I will post the gallery of today's photo shoot, maybe add some pictures that I took in my backyard a couple days back. And that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channels. I have two of them. One is Milorad Vujica, my main channel. The other one is Milorad Vujica Photography. And that's it. Milorad out.